Are you guys facing this DLL file issues? And when you try to download it, another file is requested until you get this error. For this video, I will show you how to get rid of this error in only one solution. Yes, I am not joking. There is one application which gives you all the DLL files which is required for your PC. So you don't need to download it separately. The application name is AIO, which mean all in one. It basically mean all in one runtime. You can download it from Google. Go to Google and search download AIO runtime. Here are many sources you can download from. I'm not showing any website due to YouTube policies. When you download it, run the setup. Inside you will see a list of different runtimes. I have already downloaded it. You just don't need to download this Java runtime. Just uncheck it and start installation. After installation completes, restart your PC and all error will be gone. Thank you for watching this video. We will see you in next video.